Hello, today I'm gonna show you a software that can increase your view, increase your subscribe, okay, and also rank your video to the highest. Okay, so let's start it together here. And in this software, it will guide you um, to input title, description, and tag to increase change to increase your video change to the highest. Okay, and now if I want to create a video called Pokemon, okay, so let me check it. Okay, and this is the highest video. Yes, and let me analyze here, and they use all of it to increase. So, and I can do this. Yes, and select tag also. Yes, and animation, and you can edit it by just you can put it your save address and your save description. With this, your video will be placed in the highest of YouTube. Yes, and that's all. Thank you.